Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yesterday, we did the revision of alphabets M, N, O and P. And today, we are going to do the revision of all the alphabet that you have learned in previous sessions. We will do the revision through an activity.
Let's start the activity. In this activity, here are the alphabet written in these circles. These are the small letters. And the alphabet written in these blue circles are the capital letters. You have to join the capital letters with the small letters. Let's pick one of the blue circles. Which alphabet is this? L. Where is small l? Yes, this is small l and this is capital L. Like this, we will do the activity. Now let's pick up the another circle. Which alphabet is this? D. Where is small d? Yes, this is small d and this is capital D. And we will join it like this. Which alphabet is this? E. Where is small e? Yes, this is small e and this is capital E. Which alphabet is this? B. This is small b and this is capital B. Next, which alphabet is this? F. Where is small f? Yes, this is small f and this is capital F. Let's pick up the another circle. Which alphabet is this? G. Small g, capital G. Which alphabet is this? K. Yes, this is small k and this is capital K. Next, which alphabet is this? J. This is small j, this is capital J. Which alphabet is this? O. Where is small o? Yes, this is small o, this is capital O. Which alphabet is this? M. Where is small m? Yes, this is small m and capital M. I. Where is small I? Small I, capital I. Next, which alphabet is this? H. Where is small h? Yes, this is small h and this is capital H. Next, which alphabet is this? C. This is small c, this is capital C. Which alphabet is this? A. This is small a and this is capital A. Let's keep it here. P. This is small p, this is capital P. Next, which alphabet is this? N. This is small n, this is capital N. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Very good, children.
Now we will solve the worksheet.
In this worksheet, you had to match the alphabet to the picture related to it. Here, first alphabet is M. So match it with the moon. M for moon. Second alphabet is N. So match it with the net. N for net. Then we have alphabet O. So match it with an owl. O for owl. The last alphabet is P. So I have matched it with a parrot. P for parrot. I hope you all have done the same. Let's solve the second worksheet. Worksheet, we have to match the alphabet with its correct picture. Like first alphabet is C. So we will match it with carrot. C for carrot. Next alphabet is B. B for butterfly. Next alphabet is E. E for eagle. Next alphabet is G. G for gate. Next alphabet is I. I for iron. Next alphabet is K. K for key. Next alphabet is M. M for monkey. The last alphabet is O. O for ostrich. I have done my worksheet and I hope you all have done the same way.
Thank you, kids. Have a nice day. Bye.